All right, my name is Taylor Grant. I'm with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Robin of Greeley, Colorado. Back in the summer of this year, a major storm passed through our area. Our property sustained major roof damage from wind and hail. Over 3/4 of the roofs in our community had the same, if not less, damage that our property suffered. Insurance company offered $700 to repair the major damage that really requires a new roof to be replaced. All of the other insurance companies are replacing other homeowners' roofs. We are the only property on our street alone that is not getting a new roof with nothing out of pocket. We are changing insurance companies, and the agent said that was probably best. What kind of agent is that? Come on. Guess our business is not important to such a big company, and yet no roof, no compensation. Bad company, nothing in writing that can back up what they claim is just the insurance company way. Okay? So many things wrong with this. They have to, okay, give you an explanation of why they are denying the whole claim or part of the claim. If they're not paying for a line item, well, tell me why. And this will come into play later as I make more videos and describe what I'm experiencing currently. Okay, that'll be a good one. But ultimately, the insurance company can't just be like, denied, good luck. They have to give you a reason why, and they have to reference the policy provision that says why it's not going to be paid. If you don't have coverage for that, and they say, you don't have coverage for that, here's the paragraph in the section of the policy that says that, yeah, you have a impossible or very, 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 very difficult fight on your hands. However, if they're just saying, hey, it's denied, they don't give you a reason or a reference to the policy why it was denied, you have to question that. And that's where we come in. We can help you when your policy is not being used properly for your benefit. If the insurance company is using it for their benefit, you need to have somebody to figure out how you can use it for yours, right? Again, if the policy has coverage for it and they're not paying for it and they're not explaining why, you need somebody on your team that can help you get your claim fully paid. BellatorClaims.com, that's what we do. We help commercial property owners, industrial property owners, and residential property owners. Residential only in northern Colorado, okay? But if you have one of those properties and you have a policy that is in place that you think should cover the damage, but the insurance company's not paying for it, let us know. We have over a 92% success rate in helping clients get the money they need for their insurance claims. Contact us today.